Stop stressing over IT issues. Let DythonAI handle the heavy lifting instead. Here's how we make IT management a breeze. Imagine never worrying about network downtime or system failures again. DythonAI's expert support services are here to ensure your infrastructure runs smoothly, 24/7. Our team of seasoned professionals uses cutting-edge AI to monitor and optimize your systems, catching potential issues before they become problems. That means less downtime, more productivity and peace of mind for you and your team. But we don't just stop at monitoring. DythonAI offers tailored solutions to fit your unique needs, whether it's enhancing cybersecurity, streamlining operations, or scaling your infrastructure. Plus, with our transparent reporting and proactive approach, you'll always be in the loop and ahead of the game. So why wait? Transform your IT experience today with DythonAI's network and system support services. Trust us, your future self will thank you.